guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about top 10 winter foods that are super good for you. Now, why special winter foods? So see, what happens as the weather changes, our body also begins to change. Our immunity drops and it's much easier to catch cold and cough during this season. So here are some superfoods which will help in keeping your body naturally warm, active and energetic, making it easy for you to fight cold, cough and infection during winter. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one is citrus fruits. Winter is the time when most of the citrus fruits are available at the peak of flavor. Especially oranges, musambi, amla, grapefruit are widely available. So these fruits are a storehouse of vitamin C, which is great for your skin, hair and immunity. They are known for their cold and flu fighting properties. In fact, for COVID prevention, vitamin C supplement consumption was at peak. So now is the time to stop those supplements and start looking for these seasonal winter fruits. So eating whole fruit is best as you will get fiber. But you can also consume orange or musambi juice. Whereas amla can be consumed in the form of juice, pickle, murabba or as dried candy. My next food in the list is turmeric. Turmeric is loaded with medicinal properties and it has a global reputation for boosting immunity. It has antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. So, winter season brings along cold, cough, joint pain, sinus, bloating and gastric issues. And turmeric can be the solution for all these problems. In fact, many of us gain weight during winter. So the active ingredient curcumin in turmeric can really help in preventing excess weight gain. For more information on this topic, you can check my detailed video right after this one. Link is given there on top and in the description box below. So try to include this spice wherever possible in curries, soups, smoothies, and you can even prepare turmeric tea or turmeric milk. My next food in the list is tulsi and ginger. Tulsi or holy basil is known to have antiviral, antiseptic and antibiotic properties. It is rich in vitamin A, C, iron and helps in preventing respiratory disorders and fights cold and flu, which are quite common during winter season. On the other hand, ginger is known to have thermogenic properties, meaning it helps to keep you warm. It also helps in boosting up your metabolism. So the best way to include both of these is to make tulsi ginger tea or tulsi ka kadha. You can add a spoon of ginger to this. And this brings me to my next superfood, which is jaggery. Jaggery is generally recommended during winter season because according to Ayurveda, it has a hot potency, which means during its metabolism, heat is generated in the body. It also dilates blood vessels, which improves blood circulation, and this in turn produces heat in the body. So you can include jaggery in your tulsi tea or turmeric tea, or even a piece of jaggery is good enough post a meal. But remember, jaggery has same calories like sugar, so don't go overboard with its consumption. My next superfood at number 5 is nuts and dry fruits. Winter season is great to feast on nuts and dry fruits as they warm you up without compromising your health. Dates and nuts like peanuts, almonds and walnuts are known to raise heat in the body. Nuts also have a high concentration of healthy fats, which helps in keeping our body warm from inside. On the other hand, dry fruits are rich in essential oils, vitamins and minerals, which helps in keeping our skin nourished during winter season. So make sure you stock up on these nuts and dry fruits during this season and include them in your regular diet. My next superfood is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds or til is one of the winter perfect food because it not only keeps your body warm but also increases immunity, as these seeds contain iron, zinc, selenium, vitamin B6 and many other nutrients which support our immune system. They are also rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, which helps keep our skin and hair nourished and moisturized during winter. So you can include these seeds in the form of til peanut laddu, or you can sprinkle sesame seeds on your salads, and these are so nutty that you can include wherever possible in your meals. So make sure you are consuming enough of these seeds during this season. My next superfood at number 7 is ghee. Now, ghee is one of the most common ingredients in our Indian kitchens, and it is said to be a warming food because ghee is one of the most digestible fat, which generates instant heat and energy. Ghee also contains essential fatty acid, which helps in boosting your immunity and nourishes dull and dry skin. So make sure to include 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee every day during winters to keep yourself warm and healthy. My next superfood is millets. During this winter season, I would suggest you to give a break to your regular cereals and try millets like jowar, bajra, ragi, and different kinds of millets, because these millets not only keep you warm but also helps in keeping you energetic during cold weather. Millets are low glycemic, high in fiber, and packed with a range of nutrients. And with millets, you can create a variety of dishes like millets idli, dosa, bajra khichdi, then bhakri, jowar, bajra roti, and instead of rice, you can use millets to make biryani and pulao. Now at number 9, there is another super grain, which is amaranth. Amaranth in Hindi is called Rajgira or Ramdana. So amaranth is a powerhouse of nutrients. It is a rich source of folate and lysine, which is an essential amino acid. Lysine helps in metabolizing fatty acids into energy, keeping you warm from inside. And it is the only grain to have vitamin C, which helps in boosting your immunity. So you can make amaranth or Rajgira cereal, Rajgira laddu, or have it for lunch instead of rice. And my last winter superfood is leafy greens and root vegetables. Winter season brings a whole lot of fresh vegetables, especially leafy greens and root vegetables. So we get palak, then mustard greens, methi, bhatua, then cholai, and all these vegetables are an excellent source of vitamin A, K, iron, folate, antioxidants, and fiber. We also get a bunch of root vegetables like carrot, beetroot, turnip, radish, sweet potato, and a variety of yams. And all these vegetables are so nutrient dense. Most of these root vegetables have a high concentration of antioxidants and are known for being carb heavy and starchy. But these carbs are complex carbs. So overall, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and fibrous properties of winter vegetables are responsible for boosting immunity. So make sure to include a bunch of these vegetables in your regular diet during this winter season. So these were my favorite top 10 winter superfoods. All these foods are easily available, and with little planning, you can include these foods easily in your regular diet. So if you like this video, then please hit that like button. Let me know if you have some exciting ideas that you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.